Dear parents, 你好. Welcome to Back to School Chinese presentation. My name is Linda. Students know me by 张老师. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this school year. I'm from China and came to Singapore to do my master's degree at National University of Singapore in the year 2000. Before coming to Singapore, I used to teach English in a college in Beijing. I joined SAS in 2006, so this is my 17th year working here. And I really enjoy the day-to-day interaction with the children at SAS. I'm very happy to be your child's Chinese teacher this year, and I'm sure we'll have a wonderful time learning together. This is my family. I have two daughters. My elder daughter Ruoyan is 18 years old. She's a senior. And my younger daughter Jinghang is 13 years old. She's a 7th grader. They both attended SAS when they were preschoolers, and then they went to local school as we are Singapore citizens. They both love their teachers and friends at SAS. Since proficiency is our teaching focus, let's look at this ACT4 language proficiency guideline. ACT4 stands for American Council of Teaching Foreign Languages. The guidelines are descriptions of what individuals can do with language in terms of speaking, writing, listening, and reading in real-world situation in a spontaneous and non-rehearsed context. These guidelines identify 4 major levels of proficiency: novice, intermediate, advanced, and superior. Novice, intermediate, and advanced are subdivided into low, mid, and high sublevels. Novice is mainly at the word level, intermediate is mainly at the sentence level, and advanced is at the paragraph level. According to the quantity and quality of the language output, each of them is subdivided into the sublevels. The main focus of our elementary school program is within the novice and intermediate range. The guideline also shows the higher level, the wider the content area, which means language learners need to build up enough words and expressions in order to gain and sustain solid skills in the level before moving forward. This year, your child is in Novice High 2 class. What can they do? These are the simple lists of what the children at this level can do. They can respond to familiar questions and tend to speak in simple, complete sentences. They can ask common questions and get things that they need. They have started to use what they have learned to create simple sentences, to express their own thoughts. So they are no longer only memorizing the sentences or language chunk. They have started to create with the language. They can hold a simple conversation about themselves and their lives. And last but not least, they can read some basic Chinese characters, phrases, and simple sentences. This year, in Novice High 2 class, we'll cover 4 topics. Topic 1, healthy lifestyle. We're going to learn names of some healthy food and what we can do to stay healthy. Topic 2, seeing a nurse or a doctor. We're going to learn how to tell a doctor or a nurse that we are not feeling well. Topic 3 is welcome to my classroom. We'll learn names of some common items in the classroom and what we usually do in class. And topic 4 is welcome to Singapore. We're going to learn names of some famous places in Singapore and what people can do in these places. Parents always ask the question, what can we do to support my child's learning at home, since we don't speak Chinese? Well, first, please encourage your child to speak Chinese at home. You may ask him or her questions like, what did you learn in Chinese class today? Or, how do you say this and that in Chinese? You can ask your child to be your teacher. I can assure you that you can learn a lot of Chinese from your child. You can also check your child's posts on Seesaw and give positive feedback. You can log into seesaw.me to follow your child's progress. After our Chinese class is set up on Seesaw, we will start uploading students' work. You'll be surprised to see how much progress they can make throughout the year, so stay tuned. If you have any questions about our program and your child's progress, please don't hesitate to contact me. My room number is I207, and my extension number is 6249. And also this is my email address, ljang@sas.edu.sg. If you have any questions about our Chinese language curriculum and alignment, you may contact our World Language Director, Ms. Xu. Ms. Xu is dedicated to work with our teachers to continue developing a world-class language program for our students in partnership with our parents and our community. Thank you very much for your support in your child's Chinese learning journey. I'm looking forward to a great year working with your child.